maybe 20% of the people where you live are uninsured, right? So that means they're driving around, they don't have car insurance. And so you're saying, hey, I want to take out this policy in case that person hits me. It's not like they're going to have some liability policy that's going to reimburse you for the property damage and any injuries you suffer. They don't have liability insurance. So you're saying, I'm going to have this uninsured motorist insurance to protect me in those cases. And you'll actually also have what's called underinsured motorist insurance. So this underinsured is a similar principle to uninsured motorists, only it's saying if somebody has a really low policy where they don't do, maybe it only covers $10,000 of property damage, but they did $15,000 worth of property damage, then that underinsured motorist insurance will kick in and cover that gap to make sure that you're insured. So this is when we typically think of mandatory insurance, we're definitely thinking about liability and usually uninsured motorist insurance as well. But sometimes people will want even more insurance than that. For example, you might have heard of collision insurance. And so collision insurance is basically there's been some kind of accident. And so as a result of the accident, there's been damage to your vehicle. But we're not going to say, if you have collision, we're not going to say who's at fault. It doesn't matter. There is some reason there's been damage to your vehicle and you need it repaired. For example, if you caused the accident. Right? So liability insurance, if we kind of go back here, liability insurance is causing damage you do, but to somebody else's property, right? But what if you do damage to your own property? What if you are at fault? Then you can't rely on the other driver's liability insurance to cover you, right? If you cause the accident and you cause damage to your vehicle and you have a $15,000 vehicle, you're going to say, hey, I want my insurance to cover this. Well, this is collision. Right? So collision, when we talk about people saying, yeah, I'm fully insured and so forth, they're usually thinking that